Hey everyone, Jeff here. Happy Monday. Hope you're having a great day so far. All right, so I wanted to update you with a couple of new tool deals, and we also want to update some of the deals that we told you about last week from Costco and from Lowe's. Some interesting twists and turns that we've had. So let's get right into it. Okay, so first we want to show you some of the deals of the day here at Lowe's, because these do expire at midnight, so these are sort of time critical. And it looks like we have some cobalt, and they say up to 40% off on OPE. So what we have up first here is Cobalt's 40-volt leaf blower. It's down to $69 from $99. That is a 30% savings on that one. And likewise, you can see $69 on the trimmer, and that's a 15-inch trimmer too, by the way. You know, most of the trimmers you buy are going to be 13-inch, so that's cool to always get that extra couple of inches. Gives you a wider swath. Now this deal here is their two-tool combo kit. So this one has actually the smaller 13-inch trimmer, and it's also got the 40-volt blower, and it looks like we've got a charger and a 40-volt battery to go with it. So that right there is the 2.5 amp hour battery on this Cobalt outdoor power equipment tool deal. Now over here they're selling a 2-pack of these 2.5 amp hour batteries for $99. So normally $150, you're getting 33% off. Now if you remember up top here, this was the tool only version of the blower. They're giving you a kit version with the 2.5 amp hour battery and a charger as well. And let me just double check that to make sure that it is the 2.5 amp hour. Yep. Why does this guy keep getting in my face? All right, now they've also got this cool inverter kit here. So this is 300 watts, and it's also got 2 USB outlets on it. This one is 27% off here at $129, marked down from $179. These are kind of cool when you're like out in the middle of a big yard or something. You don't want to start running extension cords, or maybe you don't have enough cords and you just need to power a couple of things, or a phone, or charge your phone. That's when these come in handy. I still think the price is a little steep, but in terms of comparatively where it was and where it's going to be back tomorrow at $179, I guess it is sort of a decent deal. Now this one is interesting here because this one is their work light. And as you know, we've showed you over the last few weeks that $99 work light from DeWalt, which is a tool only, by the way, from DeWalt. So if you buy DeWalt's light for $99, but if you're willing to buy a couple of other DeWalt items and you get that DeWalt buy more, save more deal, their version of this light would drop down to about $69, tool only. But you would have to spend about $500 in DeWalt tools to get it to drop to that price. Here, you just waltz right in, and for $99, you're getting the light, you're getting the 2.5 amp hour battery, and the charger as well. So you're getting the full kit here for $99 as opposed to $169. So this one is 41% off. And this is actually, it's not they're calling it a 2.0 amp hour battery. I thought maybe it was the 2.5, but I'm going to go by what they say right here. See that? Okay, of course they got the snow blower like they had. Now they had, some of these are what they had basically, I don't remember if it was 2 weeks ago where we showed you some of the Cobalt outdoor power equipment. And here is another 2-piece combo kit. So what they're giving you here is the 20-inch pole hedge trimmer, and they're giving you this 8-inch saw right here. And of course you're getting the battery and the charger. And let's check what battery they're giving you on here. The 2.5 amp hour battery is what they're giving you. Now last week we had told you about this awesome 3-tool deal here from DeWalt at Lowe's. So this is DeWalt's 3-tool woodworking kit that has a jigsaw, and has a oscillating multi-tool, and it has the electric sander also, the cordless sander. And it comes, of course, with a battery and a charger. So this incredible kit was priced at $299. And so we were telling you, hey, if you don't find it in your store, go ahead and buy it online. And so I was about to take a dose of my own medicine here, and Saturday night I was going to go to buy this thing online, and you're not going to believe what I found. What I thought I was getting a great DeWalt Tool Deal turned out to be a total fiasco here in terms of the shipping. Take a look at this. And one thing that we noticed about it, though, over the weekend is that, I went to order it on Saturday night, and so here I was telling you guys, look, here it is online. You can go buy it, or you can try to find it in your store. But what we found, and I brought it up yesterday during our live stream through Lowe's, is look at this. Let me close this guy out of the way here. But look at this. If you put it in your cart, yeah, they're giving you the $2.99 price. But come on, $100 for delivery? Are these people nuts? There's no way this kit costs $100 to deliver. Even, especially with the accounts that these larger companies like this must have with FedEx and UPS and all that. So something is definitely wrong here. And let's see if we change the store to another one, like in Coral Springs, or see what we've got here. Let's try this one here. Look at that. That changes it to $130. So it's just totally off the wall nonsense going on here, folks. I can't explain it, but it's just very shocking, to say the least. So that's when we turned our sights back onto, let's try to find it in the store. And so a number of people were reporting to us that they were able to find it in the store, but it's not down below on the shelf. It's up high. Okay, so this is why I tell you really got to hunt for this kit, because the kit is not kept down below. The kit is sitting right up there on the shelf. After I searched this whole thing twice, I actually spotted it. The 3-tool kit is going to be a bigger box than most of your average tool kits. There it is sitting right there. You see that? There's 2 of them sitting up there. So far, everybody who has reported buying these at the store, they've reported back to me that they found them up high like this. And same thing here. I have no idea why these are not down here on the floor. So now I have to go get an associate to get one of them big ladders to come get me this kit down here. But this is what you got to do. So we are no longer recommending that you try to order this DeWalt 3-tool kit online. You need to go into your store and find it, even if it says online that there is no stock at your store. Just like you see right here, it's not indicating that there's any stock in our local store. But a lot of times when they say there's no stock, I'll go to the store and do some digging around and actually find it. Here you can see I went yesterday to our local Lowe's, the one that it said that there was none available, and got an employee to go up high on the ladder, and he came back down with it, and now I have it in my shopping cart. The real shopping cart. That's the one. And this is the way you do it, folks.
This is the way.
This is the way. This is the way.
And guess what? It is now in my shopping cart, folks. So, I know we've been to Lowe's already this week, but I wanted to show you about this to give you some update on how to get this kit. So, if you saw our video that we uploaded last night, folks, this is the DeWalt 3-tool woodworking kit. And this comes with the jigsaw, and it comes here also with the multi-tool and the electric sander. And all 3 of these are great tools on their own, okay? Now this kit is $2.99, and I showed it to you last night on the video online. And I came down this one aisle here and started looking up top, because I know a lot of guys had told me they said, oh no, you got to look up top. We found it up top in our store. So I looked up there, didn't find anything there. And I came over to this other section here, and then I started looking down on this section, and this is where I found it, and I'll show you right here. See it up there? That's it right there. So there was 2 of them. I had to get an employee that had to bring a ladder over and get up there and get that thing down. But there it is. See, there's the part number on there, the 253-7952. So that's where they keep it. So, and I guess to keep people from stealing it, so the guy has to come and get it for you. Here's a little treat here for those of our friends who are tool freaks and maybe you like doing a little automotive work. We were in Fort Myers last weekend and got to check out the Ford's Garage restaurant. What a nice, great restaurant that was, with some good burgers and onion rings. But what was really cool is when you look in the men's bathroom, their sinks there were made out of wheels and tires and all sorts of shut-off valves and stuff like that. So it was pretty cool. Here, take a look at what we saw in there. So here in the men's bathroom at the Ford's Garage, you can see that the sinks are wheel hubs. The water faucets are actually gas pumps, and the water gets turned on by quarter-turn ball valves. I thought that was a very ingenious design there. What's really cool is when you look here, you can see the onion rings are actually served on an old oil funnel, which is kind of cool. I just hope it wasn't used before for oil. Now, I want to turn our attention here to some of the Costco deals, and there was a Costco Tool Deal that we told you about on Friday. You remember this Makita set that we told you about here, this Makita 2-tool set, this kit that was $279, and it still is on their website. But then we compared it to Home Depot. So if we come over to Home Depot and we'll enter that kit number in there, let's see what we come up with here. So they are charging $359 at Home Depot for this exact same kit that you see right here. So the update that I want to give you here that we've found out since we've made this video and uploaded it on Friday is that a number of people who know these Makita tools really well, they're very intimate and familiar with them, know, and they were telling us that the Home Depot version of the hammer drill is models down from the same hammer drill that's in the Costco Makita tools kit there. So if you were to buy this Makita combo kit from Costco, not only are you getting a lower price, but I think it's even lower effectively because the model that you're getting in there has a lot more torque than the model in the Home Depot kit. So that's what we've been told by our friends that know these tools really well. So I just wanted to pass that on to you, just so you would know. Because on the Costco website, they don't really tell you specifically which model drills are in those kits. So sometimes you have to rely on people that already have it or have bought it and know these tools a lot better. Here's some new items that I wanted to show you at Costco, but I couldn't do it on Friday because the video was getting too long. So here is a new 7-piece counter height dining room table with 6 chairs and a table there, and it's $899. Now this just came in, so remember what I always tell you guys about these big ticket items at Costco. This is likely to be $7.99 or $6.99 in another month or so. So if you're just willing to be patient a little bit, you'll see the prices drop, especially when it comes time in October for them to switch over this entire area here to be the Christmas displays. So you're going to see all of these furniture items here suddenly get discounted down in a heartbeat, and tremendously too. We often see these things drop $200 to $300 a piece. Here's another brand new 9-piece dining room set that we saw. This is a normal height dining room set. And this just appeared last week because it was not there the week before when we were in there. And here you can see on the price tag here, again, this one's $999, about $1,000. And I'm willing to bet you will see this one at $700 or $800 as soon as October. Take a close look at this one. This is an interesting new piece of furniture, folks. This here is a dining room table that switches from square to round. And this set comes in at $899. Same thing, we expect it would probably drop $200 within the next month or so. Let me just ask a quick favor of you. If you're finding this video informational so far, hey, do us a favor, would you please? Give us a thumbs up down below. That tells us that you like us. And if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, hey, make sure you click on that subscribe button down below and click the gray bell icon next to it so that you'll be alerted and you won't miss any one of our videos. We'll see you all on the next one.